After sending an envelope, you can manage which envelopes are completed and which are still waiting to be completed. The Agreements page lists all your envelopes. You can easily review the status, access your files, create folders, and search for a specific envelope. Additional actions like resending, correcting, or voiding an envelope are also available. Once you send an envelope or start a draft, it is added to the Agreements page. To access the Agreements page, click Agreements at the top of the home page. The Agreements page displays your inbox by default and contains all the envelopes you received that require your signature. Click Download to download any of the documents contained in the envelope that were sent to you. Click the ellipsis next to Download to view other options for an envelope that is in the inbox. You can print the signed documents and move the envelope to another folder on the Agreements page. You can forward the documents to additional recipients for their signatures, or you can copy the envelope and resend it to the same recipients again. You can also save the envelope as a template, as explained in the Creating Templates course. Click History to access additional details about the envelope. From the envelope history, you can also download a copy of the Certificate of Completion. You can also export the complete details of the envelope events to a CSV file. When you select an envelope, additional options appear at the top. Options vary slightly depending on which folder you're working with. Prior to selecting an envelope, the top of the page displays the Search field and tools. With an envelope or envelopes selected, the options at the top of the page have changed. The Sent folder displays all the envelopes you sent as well as their status. Click Move, Resend, or click the ellipsis for more options. For more videos like this, subscribe to the Savvy YouTube channel today. And if you need a complete library of training content written specifically for the legal industry, consider the Savvy Smart Content Library. Visit savvytraining.com for more information.